Hello, now I will explain how to color change category wise item button in Vatrix POS system. If I go to sales invoice, I can assign colors of menu item for different categories, different color. I can do this by going to inventory, item master, then go to file and click on item button manager. Next, select the category you want. First, I will select this appetizer category. Next, I will go to button color and select the color I want and click on update category button color. You can see that color is successfully applied. Same way, if I want to assign another color for cool drinks category, I will select this and I will go to button color and choose other color and click on update category button color. You can see that color is successfully applied. This is how you color change category wise item button in Vatrix POS system. Thank you.